Hello everybody, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Just a kind of a quick update. As you can see behind me, my tool wall is stripped down, and so is the rest of my shop. I'm moving. Problem is, I don't have a place to go. We put our house up for sale because I need a house with some acreage so I can build a little bigger shop. This one, I've just outgrown this one. And we put our house up for sale, not expecting it to sell within 24 hours. Plus it was a cash offer and the guy wants to close in like 7-8 days. So really put me in a crunch. So we're hustling to get things packed up. And I hope you never have to pack a shop up, let alone two shops. I've got my garage shop and then this little one. Hence why I need a bigger shop. So I guess the purpose of this video is kind of keep you informed. I've been a little absent because so much has been going on with the house and getting it ready, and then the sale and now the packing. But my shop time is going to be non-existent for a couple of months. But I'm going to try to come up with some videos that will be helpful and interesting and pleasing, even though we may not be in a shop. But if you got any suggestions on something you'd like to see, let me know. But appreciate all the support in the past. Bear with me. We will be back in a new shop. Don't know when, don't know where. I'm hoping a couple of months. But when we get to our new shop, we'll show videos of it being built, and that should be interesting as well. So just a quick update for you. I really appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in. Drop me a line, email, Instagram. All of those links are in the description below. You guys have a great spring. It's coming up on March 1st, so we're close to springtime. And we'll be talking to you soon. Thanks a lot. Just give you a little shot of how empty it is. Well, I tell you, moving a shop is tough. So when I first started this video, which was part of it was filmed back towards the end of February, we'd sold our house so quickly, and we hadn't even started looking, but we found a place. So at least I'm not. I had to move into an apartment for about 6 weeks, but try 21 years and then minimizing down to a 2-bedroom apartment. Yeah, really. We found a house on an acre of land, plenty of room for a shop. Matter of fact, it has a 28 by 28 pad already poured in the back for a good foundation for a shop. So we're in good shape there. We're in the contract process. Hopefully it's scheduled to close on April the 13th. We'll see. And we've probably got 2 or 3 weeks of painting and carpet changing and things to do before we move in. So it's going to be mid-May, hopefully, before we move in, and probably June before my shop's up and going. Hopefully earlier, who knows? We'll see. But anyway, thanks a lot. I'll keep you informed. And if you've got any ideas on some videos that can be done while I'm without a shop, leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. I want to stay in touch, but don't want to make a worthless video either. So you guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.